Running a WooCommerce store without deep analytics is like flying a plane in the dark. You see the revenue, but do you know why it's happening? Do you know exactly where your customers are dropping off, or which products are costing you money in dead stock? Today, we're diving into InsightPress, the most powerful, advanced analytics and reporting plugin for WooCommerce. InsightPress brings a premium, high-tech experience directly into your admin dashboard. It's built with the React framework, meaning it's fast, responsive, and looks amazing. Best of all your data stays right on your server. No third-party tracking scripts slowing down your site. First up, the sales analytics. At a glance, you get your store's vitals, total revenue, average order value, and those crucial sales trends. You can filter by any date range to see exactly how your latest promotion performed or track your growth month over month. Now let's talk about product performance. InsightPress doesn't just show you what's selling, it shows you what's not. The worst sellers and dead stock reports help you identify inventory that's just taking up space. For a deeper dive, click on any single product to see its specific traffic sources and customer demographics. One of the biggest leaks in any store is the cart. InsightPress automatically tracks abandoned carts in real time. You'll see exactly how much revenue you're losing and your recovery rate. This is actionable data you can use to tweak your checkout flow and win back those customers. Now let's talk about the checkout funnel. This is a game changer. It shows you exactly which step of the checkout process customers are leaving. Is your shipping cost too high? Is your payment form too long? The funnel tells you exactly what to fix. InsightPress also helps you stay ahead with stock velocity and inventory depletion forecasting. It actually predicts when you'll run out of stock so you can reorder in time. Plus, with the cost of goods integration, you'll see your actual profit margins, not just gross revenue. The integration is seamless. You can see your analytics in line, directly in your product and post lists. And for content creators, it even tracks blog engagement, showing you which articles are actually driving traffic to your shop. Stop guessing and start growing. InsightPress gives you the data you need to make smarter decisions for your WooCommerce store. Download the free version today or upgrade to Pro to unlock